Yo, welcome back to One Dong Life. They were making a pretty good country supper here. Making catfish fry. Oh yeah. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if that grease is hot enough. I ain't got too much experience with frying stuff, but basically my understanding is you take her, throw it in that batter, throw in there, and let it cook. And don't get any of that on you. It's hard as frig. Just put a little catfish in there. Got the corn going on over here. Hey, quick easy meal. Quick easy meal. It's been soaking in, evidently been soaking in buttermilk for the last few days, I guess. Fresh caught locally. Local catfish, people. Nothing can beat that. And if only I could finalize my frying skills. Let me flip that. That's good. Alright. So that's a catfish fry right there, folks. Catch you next time.